Well, good evening, everybody. My name is Eve, and welcome to Speedwell Travel. Tonight, I'm staying at the Hilton London Tower Bridge. This hotel is situated just a few yards from London Bridge rail station and just a few more metres away from the London Bridge Underground. If you just take a short walk along More London, which is the name of this beautiful street, you will find the hotel on the left-hand side of the road. The main reception entrance is just on this little street here. Reception was quite busy, so I decided not to film directly inside, as there was quite a few guests hanging about and I didn't want to disturb them. But it was just to let you see a general impression of the round doors, which I hate going through. They're really crazy. So this is one of the corridors leading up to the bedrooms. And just to give you an idea of the area of the lifts. Now there are 4 lifts that serve all floors. And they're really excellent lifts, they go really quickly, but you do need a key card to operate them. I hope that you like this video. I wish you would please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It would really help the channel grow and I would be very, very grateful. Thanks. So now what we're going to do is we're going to have a little look around the bar, which is literally just up from reception as you walk into the hotel. There's also a back door just at the head of that picture you're seeing there. And this is the Ruba bar. There's all sorts of little areas that are very comfortable seating, very low lighting, but also quite noisy music, so I've actually had to cut the volume down in this video just in case YouTube gets annoyed and it does something crazy with the copyright. So it's a nice long simple corridor. It's a ramp just in case anybody was looking for an accessible way in and out. Beautiful padded seats. And it's a great space to come and have a couple of drinks, even if you don't stay at the actual hotel itself. And again off to the left, this is another little cordoned off area, and I think it would be like for a small private function. And it's called Tu Ruba. It's got a glitter ball which is actually really attractive. And now just heading down to reception again. Concierge desk is on the left. Express checkout and yet again the revolving doors. So just to show you, heading back up into the lifts and round into the bedroom corridor. Now all the corridors do have these floor-to-ceiling glass windows at the end of them. You can get quite strange and stunning views. And let's just head to the bedroom now. So this is my deluxe double, and it is a double, not a twin. I can't believe that I got a complimentary upgrade. I was so absolutely amazed. And it was quite welcome actually, because I have been travelling for a few days now and I'm really quite tired. And I was looking forward to just the standard double. But to get this upgrade was just absolutely lovely. So as you enter the room, there is a luggage rack on the left. Also a flat screen TV on the wall. There is a large countertop. just below that. And you get a free half bottle of wine with this room. You also get an espresso coffee and 2 bottles of complimentary water. There is a working table and a chair to the side of this. Beautiful heavy blackout curtains and a window that actually opens. There's a small coffee table and a very comfortable easy chair. Now beside your bed, I think that's where we're going next. The bedroom, it's an absolutely huge bed. I think it's probably about 6 feet wide, but I couldn't swear to that. At the side of the bed there are charging points, all the lights for the switches for the lights and the USB charging. It's a shame they didn't upgrade these to USB-C, as this is now becoming the European standard, but I think they probably will at some time. There is air conditioning and it is very, very efficient in this room, but do remember, if you're going to be using the air conditioning to cool the room, you have to keep the window shut, otherwise it'll shut it off and you'll end up still really warm. Nice full length mirror on the left, and then in the right side, in this cabinet, we have a hairdryer. There's a private safe. And just clothing space, and on the bottom there's actually a pair of scales, just in case you were wondering. Next to that is the wardrobe with proper coat hangers that you can pull down. And finally, in this cupboard there's an iron and an ironing board, and there's 2 cotton dressing gowns. And there's also little hotel slippers if you want to use them. Let's go and explore the bathroom. So this again is one of the more unusual features now. Many of the hotels in London have been ripping out their baths just to be more eco-friendly. But delighted to see that this Hilton this still has a bath. All the usual toiletries that you could need, shampoo, shower gel and body wash. And there's also a shower attachment with the bath so that you could wash your hair if you wanted to while you were soaking. And just above that is the big double towels. Closing the door, you'll find 2 towel hooks, coat hooks, or whatever you want to call them. There is a completely separate walk-in shower, again full of amenities. It is spotlessly clean, and definitely you could fit 2 people in there if you wanted to. And just a lovely space. The toilet is just here. Shaving mirror, shaver socket, face cloths and a shower cap. And underneath, which is really interesting, is it's already got lighting underneath, and it just adds a lovely ambience to the bathroom. There's some tissues, some water glasses and hand wash and body lotion, as well as a huge illuminated mirror just above. I love the tiles in this bathroom, they're absolutely beautiful. So that concludes the room tour. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed my stay here. I slept so well, and that is in the centre of London, which is absolutely amazing. I definitely would stay here again and thoroughly enjoyed it. So thank you, Hilton London Tower Bridge, for another amazing weekend. Bye for now.